All right, so you can see we're in Premiere Pro 2025. So this is a version of Premiere Pro which has made the most changes for many, many years. It's just happened, so you can get the new version now. The big change that it's made basically is they've got rid of the essential graphics panel. And if you look in graphics templates, all you get is the templates, right? Now there are some like kind of weird things though, like so let's just draw some text in here. Let's have a look and see what's happened there. Did I always say graphic? I'm not sure. Let's just put some text in there. So you can now go to properties. Yeah, there's some like unusual things I think that I'm kind of noticing. Like if you go in here, new layer text. Like what's just happened there, right? Let's look in properties. It looks like it's added it on the same one, right? If I did it here, maybe it was always like this, to be honest. Let's look in this one. Just the one. And you've got two, right? Yeah, I suppose maybe it was always like that. What happens if we add one in right in the middle? Just out of interest. Okay, interesting. Because it hasn't got enough room, then it would put it on the next layer. Okay. So I think they are sort of changing how this is working. Now the properties panel is weird though. Like if I've got, for instance, if I've got like, say just a video layer selected, properties panel basically comes, it looks like a worse, I really don't get this. This is the bit that I really don't get. It's like you've already got effect controls. Effect controls works perfectly, but they're trying to simplify it at the same time. I mean, this is exactly the same stuff, but it just they've spaced it out and there's less stuff to do. They've even got like a little keyframe thing in there. But why would you do keyframing in here when you could just do it in effects control, right? Yeah, I'm not sure what you would be doing there, right? Change the position here. You know, is that so hard to do that? I don't see what the advantage. I really don't get. I guess you can. Oh yeah, you can move. I guess you can move to. You can check between the different keyframes easily. Maybe that is actually of some use, right? What else is there that's been added? Context aware. Intelligently surfaces the most frequently needed tools when you need them. Context sensitive controls for adjusting video, audio, and text. Yes, I sort of showed that. You can modify the properties of multiple clips simultaneously. I guess we'll try that maybe with the. It's got a different look, and that's basically it. Yeah, new project creation. That's not very interesting. So, for example, if we've got our two. Yeah, that is weird. I wonder how that works. So I want to do it. Can I do essential sound on these? Multiple clicks selected. Oh yeah, so then I could put in my, I do this one. I've got one. What would the properties panel look like? Multiple clips selected. Interesting. So yeah, maybe it does actually have some use now I think about it. What is the difference between a graphic and a new text layer though? Graphic has got this stuff, and the text layer. Wait. It looks the same though, doesn't it? I guess you can put them. Yeah, I don't know, man. Wouldn't say I'm particularly convinced by that, but all right. Let me just move one of these. New text layer. Yeah, because of course you can't see like. So here I've got three, right? So one. So this one we basically put two in by mistake. No, I didn't do it by mistake. I did it at the beginning of the video, didn't I? That was dumb of me to. Yeah. So what was I saying? Yeah, if you just select two of them. I'm just trying to. The thing is, my the way I work is kind of, it might change because based on my panel setup might change. So I guess that is kind of useful actually. What if you select like completely different types of stuff? That's a good point actually. It means I can basically scale the text and the actual video at the same time. So that might actually have some value. But could you just scale the whole layer? Well, it's different layers though. Yeah, that is a good point. That is a good point. So yeah, there is also going to be like a new effect with like with AI video and stuff. All right, thanks for watching.